We wanted to take up extra precaution around the university and install trauma kits in case an incident did break out in one of our many events that happen on campus. And the feedback has been amazing. Student, faculty, and staff have come to us wanting more around campus. Some organizations are trying to gather money to get more kits, and the parents come here on their tours and they see that their children are going to be well taken care of and that we do care about their safety. As a parent, we hope they never have to use them because what's in those kits aren't your regular Band-Aids. It's your trauma. It's stop the bleed, protect the wound until first responders come and are able to further give medical treatment. We can't have a first responder everywhere all the time, but this can make somebody a first responder in some sense and provides life-saving capabilities.